Yo, so I heard you wanted 2 months completely for free of Funnel Hacker Labs. Well, I heard, and I'm gonna deliver. So all I require in exchange for 2 months for free of Funnel Hacker Labs is a video testimonial from you. I'm not asking for some crazy production. I'm not asking for you to hire a film crew. All I'm asking is hop in front of your phone, take a video, and just say, tell me about your experiences with Funnel Hacker Labs. You're gonna take that video. Doesn't, trust me, I understand most people don't like being in front of a video. It doesn't have to be longer than 30 seconds. Okay, take that video. You're gonna go over to the left hand side of Funnel Hacker Labs. There's gonna be a section called labeled reviews or testimonials or success stories. Click on that and we're gonna have a direct integration where you can actually upload your video by literally clicking it, dragging it, putting it on, or you can even do it through your phone and put it on. You're gonna click on that little upload button and we have a direct integration that's gonna put it into my Dropbox so I can receive it. Once I receive it, I'm gonna reach out to you personally, probably just through email. It's probably the easiest way for you guys. I'm gonna reach out to you personally. I might even send you a notification on the Funnel Hacker Labs membership and I'll tell you that, listen, thank you so much. And here's your free 2 months of Funnel Hacker Labs on us, on your house, on your boy. So I got you guys, all right? And you're gonna see it on the account saying 2 months for free. Thank you guys for watching, all right? Like I said, leave a testimonial. If you're wondering what type of testimonial, guys, be honest. That's just it. Tell us about your experience, how it was easy, or if you want to see some example ones, I actually have some on my landing page on the initial where you saw all Funnel Hacker Labs. In the very bottom, you scroll to the bottom, or I'll just include some onto the actual success stories section. Thank you guys for watching. Leave us a testimonial. I'll give you 2 months for free. I'll talk to you guys later.